Alright, go ahead. It's not doing nothing. It's not doing nothing. I mean, you can't turn the key. Keep trying. Alright, stop. Turn it off. My name's Danny, and I've been working on cars since I was 16 years old. On this channel, I do vehicle repairs and custom accessory installs. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Welcome to the channel. You seem to know something I don't. What's up, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on a Honda CRV. That Honda right there. Hey, be quiet, dog. If you see my last video, we installed a radiator and then it wouldn't start. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. So let's get into it. Baby cat, what's up, baby Angie? All right, I figured it would be dead. Let's hook a battery charger up. Yeah, that brand new radiator looks sweet. If you need to know how to install a radiator in one of these, just click the link above. I have a whole video on it. Alright, so this here is an ignition spark tester, and the idea is you should be able to hook this up to your ignition coil just like you would a normal spark plug, and then you're just going to ground it off here, and you can attach this to, you know, any ground, but this makes life a little easier, gives you a little more room to hold everything. So that's the idea. So we're either not getting spark or not getting fuel. I have a hunch that we're not getting spark, so we're going to start by checking spark, and if we have spark, we'll check for fuel. If you're checking for spark and fuel in the same day, check for spark first, because obviously fuel ignites. Alright, so we got our spark tester hooked up, and we're just going to start with this ignition coil and work our way down the line and check for spark. Let's try it again. Alright. So I got no spark there. Alright, go again. Alright. No spark there. Alright, span over. Alright. Alright, span over. Alright. Alright, so we got no spark. No spark to the spark plugs at all. So now we're going to pull the distributor cap and rotor off and see if we got spark there. Now we're going to remove the distributor cap first so we can check our spark, because if we have spark there, then that means we're not getting spark through our distributor cap, which means that will be our problem. So you just got these. Got 3 8mm. Just gonna take those off. Can we do it without removing the air box? Doesn't look like it. Zip this 10 off. It's the wrong way. Don't want to pull this whole thing. Basically, all you're gonna do is attach your spark tester to this coil right here and have some ice bent over. All right, go ahead. All right. Sounds like we had spark. Go again. All right. So we have spark to this coil here, which means our control module is sending spark, but it's not passing through the distributor cap here, which means the distributor cap and rotor is the issue. That should get this Honda running again. So replacing the rotor is pretty easy. Just make sure the back of this rotor is facing this side of the distributor. That way you can access a screw that is located right here. Now with a Phillips screwdriver, remove the Phillips screw. Be careful not to drop the screw in the engine bay, just like I almost did. Now just slide your old rotor off and insert the new one. Reinstall the screw, hand tight, and you're good to go. Now remove your old weather seal. And reinstall your new one. Now for the distributor cap. Just make sure that you reinstall your wires in the same exact order that you take them off your old distributor cap. Really important. Now reinstall your new distributor cap. And install the air box. And now for the moment of truth.
Wait for it! We are the champions. No time for losers.
So in conclusion, the spark plug testers are pretty solid diagnosis. So distributor cap and rotor and a spark plug tester, $40 later, and you got a running vehicle, so that's really not a bad deal. But anyway, Honda's up and running. We're gonna change the door handle in the next video. You know, hopefully these videos help, because the whole purpose of me doing this channel is just so I can hopefully help someone out there to be able to diagnose your car properly, just to give you an idea of, you know, what's going on under that hood. But anyway, we had 500 views on the channel, so thank you very much. I appreciate that, and we're gonna keep going. So I hope this video helped. Hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.